Got a Corona special folding here in scarlet red, and we've got a very hard platen with it. And so if I use my durometer and we check the hardness of it, the sureness of it, it's coming up at like 97, 98. And then we want to put this on, which is a newly designed one, and we'll sand it down to match the finish. And this one is somewhere in the 91, 90, 89 range. So I think it's probably going to give it a lot better of an experience. So I managed to get the new Platen fitted onto the roller. Took a little bit of tinkering, but it's a very snug fit, so I'm not going to need any adhesive and probably don't need any tacks to hold it in. Again, just going to double check the hardness, the shortness of it. So if I use my durometer here and I just sort of roll it to try and get an average reading, it looks like the highest it's going is 92. So I think we're probably going to be in a good spot. And let's see how this fits. Okay, so we got the new Platen in, little wiggle here and a wiggle there to get it all in. I'm noticing now that some of the alignments, some of the letters are a little bit off. So I find the easiest way to address alignment issues when it's just a few characters is take a pen or a pencil and you put it here in this little area and just draw yourself sort of a line, and then you should try and just type along that line and then see where the letters land so that you can adjust accordingly. And so the Q is one that I'm going to just try and have a quick go at, and so I'm going to draw myself a quick little line here, and I'm going to do a couple quick Q's on the line, and then I'm going to try and raise that because it's just a touch low for what I want. So what we're going to do is raise the Q up, and then you're going to want to try and bend the Q so that you're bending it to have a slight arc outwards. And so just the finest amount of pressure, just like this, and you should be able to adjust it to go outwards. So, okay, so a little adjustment there, come back, and you can see the Q has raised up just a hair. So again, we're going to dial it in on our line here, and then see if we can just raise it another hair. Okay, and we'll come back again. And so we've raised it up just a fraction higher. And I think we're going to be okay with that.